welcome to my channel. It's so good to have you here today, and in today's video we are going to explore an estate that would blow your mind away. We are going to be taking a tour of this amazing estate called Diaspora Estate here in Centenary City, Enugu. I mean, there is a lot of things going on in this estate, but before we continue, my name is Victoria Chinzirum and I am a real estate consultant and agent here in Enugu State. I post here in my channel almost every day concerning real estate in Enugu State and every other thing you need to know about Enugu. Make sure to like, subscribe and share if you found this video helpful and informative. Alright, now we are heading to this amazing estate called Diaspora Estate. I mean, there's a lot of things I want to tell you, so make sure you watch this video to the end and enjoy while you listen to what I have to say. Alright, now by my left is what you call the Diaspora Estate, and by my right we have the El Shama Estate. Now these estates are one of the most popular estates here in Centenary City, and on this road you also have City View Estates, Diaspora Estate and a lot more. There are a lot of developing estates in this amazing place. Alright, now let me tell you a story of how I came across Diaspora Estate. Now I went on an inspection with my colleagues and I saw Diaspora Estate. I was like, I would like to view this estate. I like, how the entrance looks like and all. So I went in and luckily I met the manager of the estate. Then I told her I would like to make a video of the estate. Since we didn't come with a car, we just decided to make a normal video. I talked about the estate. It's in my channel if you want to check it out. Then I left. Then I think recently a client of mine was interested in Diaspora Estate and he wanted to see how it looked like. So he came down to Enugu and we did a drive-through, like we drove around the estate. And I was shocked and marveled of everything I saw in this estate. I mean, it was mind-blowing. Don't mind the road though, they are still going to fix it. Alright, they are working on it. So as you know, a lot of roads in Enugu are very bad. And thanks to our governor, he is really doing well. He's already working on every street and road in Enugu that is not good. Alright, now here is by my left and right is what you call the City View Estate. This estate is also amazing. It has been fully sold out. Only those that are reselling that are still selling this estate, but it have been fully sold out. So back to my talk on Diaspora Estate. So as I and the client went around the estate, I saw something that blew my mind away. I mean, I was like, why didn't I not think of this? I was so disappointed that I did not do a full tour on Diaspora Estate. I was shocked. And then it was selling for 22 million naira. It was very, very cheap compared to other estates I've seen. Now I was so marveled by everything, that the construction, the building, people that are living in this estate. I mean, this is an estate that nobody will want you to hear about or know about. It's only the wealthy that live in this estate, and the houses that they build there is amazing. I mean, like, it's just 99% of the people that own lands and houses in this estate are diasporans. Right, that's why it's called Diaspora Estate. Alright, I mean, I was shocked, very shocked. I was so disappointed in myself, like I said, that I did not make a full drive-through video of this estate. So I decided that I must show you what this estate truly embodies, what is inside this estate. I will take you on a mini tour so that you can see how amazing Diaspora Estate is. Now, Diaspora Estate has been fully sold out. There is no plot available in Diaspora Estate for 22 million. The only one that is available are two clients that want to resell their property, and they're selling for 28 million naira only. Welcome to Diaspora Estate. I mean, this estate embodies elegance and luxury. As you can see, everything is going on in this estate. Houses have already been built. People are living in this estate. Do not mind that there are a lot of empty lands here. Don't be deceived by that. They have been sold out. There is no land here available. Only 2 plots which are for resale for 28 million naira. I want you to see this. It's amazing what is going on in this estate. So don't forget to watch this video to the end so that you can see the amazing duplexes I'm talking about. I mean, there's no small structure in this estate. Like I said, this is one of the amazing structures. We are still going to go deeper. This is just a tip of the iceberg. All right, so just stay with me to the end. Now, that uncompleted building in the center of the Diaspora Estate is what you call the admin block. It's still under construction and it will be fully completed very soon. Right, as you can see, people have already fenced and gated their houses. There is access road. We did not cover the whole of Diaspora Estate because it's too big compared to what I initially thought. I thought it was small, but it's big, because what is going on here is not child's play. Like I say, only the wealthy live in this estate. Only diasporans, only 90% of diasporans live in this estate, if not 99% of diasporans live in this estate. They build their home, their dream home, then they travel back to their country. So this is an exciting news for you. All right, so like I said, there are only 2 plots left. If you're interested in these 2 plots, or one of them actually, you can call me. One is on the major road or the tiled road, the other is inside. Right, so you can call me. A lucky buyer can call me now on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let me help you secure that plot that you just saw now, that is selling for 28 million naira in this amazing estate. Oh my goodness, I am so excited because what I saw in this estate, I don't know for you, I'm saying according to my experience. So like what I feel when I saw this estate, I was amazed about what is going on in this estate. You might think it's mediocre, or you might think it's not, as bougie and fancy as it should be, but to me it's wonderful. What the structures that are in this estate. There is electricity, there is good access road, there is water to show you that this estate is amazing. There is security, 247 security in this amazing estate. It is a well fenced and gated estate, making sure that your property is secure. And this is one of the houses I saw, and I was like, oh my goodness, like what is going on in this estate? What is happening? And that is just 1% of what this amazing estate holds. Then take a look at this other one. People are really building their dream home in this estate. I know it might not be what you want, but it might be what someone else wants. So if you know someone that might be interested in this estate, just let them know of this amazing estate. It might be for you, it might be what you want, because this estate embodies elegance and it is serene. No noise in this estate. Oh my goodness, like I said, only luxury is in this estate. Only the wealthy live in this estate. So call me now on the number that is displayed on your screen so that you can be the one to secure the remaining 2 plots in this amazing estate. That is the headquarters I was talking about. So make sure you call me now on the number that is displayed on your screen so that you will not miss out on this amazing offer that has come your way today. Own 1 plot, or you can even decide to own the 2 plots and sell it out whenever you feel like, and make massive profits from it. The estate is amazing. The estate is beautiful. I mean, come on now.